Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing Compound King slime. So I bought this slime kit at the store, and yeah, so they added a ton of pretty supplies like glitter, little add-ins, all that nice stuff. Okay, and they also gave me they came with containers. I bought this.
I got here this too.
Yeah, I bought this at the store, guys, and it came with these little machine containers. Let's just start. So first, they came with these little machine containers, and I made this big glitter slime. And I'm not gonna take out that much because it's kind of sticky because I put in something, but it's really nice. Here's that clicky slime, and it's super stretchy. And guys, it has these little faces on it. Let me take one out so I can show you. Look, these little faces. I don't know if you could see that, but they're little faces. And there's different colors, but I left mine at home. Right now, I'm in this office. So yeah, and this is a really nice clicky slime. Let me take off my jacket.
I'm gonna take off mine too. I was about to literally.
Yeah, because I have a heater beside me anyways. Okay, I'll put mine over here. Okay. So out of this slime, I give this slime let me see, 10 out of 10. But one thing that I would say about it is that it's a little, like when you put in the glitters in there, they sometimes fall out.
Did you bring the back there?
Yeah, it was somewhere around here. Oh. Yeah, I brought it. I'll look for it over there, but yeah, guys. So this is a really nice slime, and it's actually my fault because the glitter's spilling out, and I put in too much glitter.
Yeah.
So it's not the slime brand's fault because it didn't have slime in it. I mean, it's glitter in it. It did come with slime though.
And glitter and all these toppings.
Yeah, toppings. Topping slime. Okay, then we have
Hey, that's my name.
same slime, but in a bigger container. I got a lot of these because I mixed them in, and they made this nice slime. This one's actually really good. I know I already reviewed it, but I'm just gonna make a popping noise. This one's like really stretchy.
I can make some better copies. Yeah. Girl, you're jumping everywhere. Notice that.
Sorry, guys.
You're like, shh.
Okay. So I like this slime, and I give this a 10 out of 10 as well. Because it's super nice and stretchy, and I really like the thing. Even though it kind of got foggy and they don't clear up, it's okay. Not all clear sounds good. Next slime is this. I got this kit at Ross, which is a store we always go to, basically. And this is my favorite, even though it's not that stretchy like the others. So
Oh, talking about making videos right now. Our video just came up that we made yesterday.
yeah, guys, our video just came up that we made yesterday and on my channel as well. So this is an honest review. A bubble. I really like this slime, guys. And yeah. So yeah, guys, that's my review on these two slimes, which is they're called Compound Kings, I mean. And the names I put, this one is Party, and then this one I named Party, and then this one I named also. These two are from the Party series, which I want to make like series of slime when I get more. But this is a Party series for now, and this is called. Let me think something. Sparkly flower decoration, and this one is called a big party. So yeah, and these two, they're little samples. I might just sell these at school, or I just give them to my friends because I don't really need them.
Give me this one.
Okay, can help. So I gave one to my sister, but I actually don't think I want to give this to nobody because I want to see this sample, you know. Yeah, guys, that's my honest review on Compound Kings slime. So yeah, guys, I think you can buy them at Walmart, Target, and Michael's. I think so. Those are the places that I've seen them at. So yeah, guys, yeah, I give this all slimes 10 out of 10. So bye, guys. Also, not sponsored, okay? Not sponsored, but I wish. But still, anyways, I decided to do a review. So yeah, bye, guys.